Yo, what's up mga ka-treasure? Decathlon Festival Mall. Let's check kung ano yung mga sporting shoes nila dito. Let's go! Ayan, by the way, yung Decathlon pala is more on like combination of different outdoor activities and indoors. So lahat ng mga equipments and needs para sa healthy lifestyle can be found here. Pero let's focus on these shoes since ito ay part ng ating channel, which is the Sneaker Hunt. So ito yung mga meron silang sample for their footwears. So iba-iba yan, meron dyan for like running or yung jogging, meron ding for sports, mga tennis, badminton, volleyball, basketball. So mixed sports meron dito. And merong mga known brands, like mga hindi ganun kakilalang brands, mga medyo mura lang, mid-tier, and yung mga magaganda na yung klase. So nandito yung mga klase na ganun na pwede nyong mabili at a very like flexible prices. So ayan yung mga samples, as you can see. Meron sila niyan for like thousands lang. Hindi pa umabot ng like 3,000 and up. So ayan yung mga for running na shoes. And ito pa yung iba na variant nila. So as you can see, maganda naman yung mga klase niyan. Color-wise then it's very minimalist and at the same time gandang tignan. Durable din naman siya as the staff said. So ito pa yung mga sample. Panoorin nyo na lang yung video para kung may magustuhan kayo, syempre bili na. Kakasahod lang, kakabonus lang. Deserve nyo yan. Watch the video. And that's for our Sneaker Hunt episode for today. So nakita nyo naman yung mga samples. Kung nag-iisip pa yung mag-start ng healthy living lifestyle, running, jogging, or what, so pwede nyong itry dito kasi, well, it's more affordable kumpara sa ibang like places. So kung newbie pa lang, entry level pa lang, this is a perfect way to start. Visit Decathlon Festival Mall. Peace.